Hi everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a home decor haul. Usually I do craft hauls, but this time I thought I would show you some of the fall and Halloween goodies and a few other items that I've been picking up lately for my home. If you're not interested in home decor hauls, I don't blame you if you don't want to watch, but sometimes people who are crafty like to decorate their houses too. That's what I find anyway. So yeah, I thought I'd show you the things that I found, mostly from like Homegoods and TJMaxx, that kind of thing. This item is actually from Walmart. I also have an Aldi find too. So yeah, let's get started. I'll show you the goodies that I've picked up lately. This was a set that was on clearance at Walmart, and I do love the Pioneer Woman items. I have a lot of her kitchen goods and serving bowls and dishes, and I actually have some clothes as well. So I found this for $7 at Walmart. I don't remember what the original price was, but it was a lot more than that. So this is a set of embossed canisters, and this is the Cassie line, and they're like a rose color. They're small, medium, and large. I haven't opened it yet, so I thought maybe we could do that together. So this was in the clearance section at my Walmart, and it was actually marked, well, no, it wasn't marked on the shelf, and I scanned it and it said it was 12 something, but I knew it had to be less. So when I went to check out, I made sure to scan it first, and it was $7. So I was glad that it was a different price than the scanner. Okay, so this is, I believe, the largest one. So let me just take them out and we'll take a look at them. I should have probably made sure they were in good condition, shouldn't I? Okay, there's the other one. And here's the small one. So I'm going to just move the box over, and we can take a look at these. So I thought these would be nice for my craft room to store things in. Oh, these are so pretty. I love the embossed design on them. So this is a small one, and it's a really nice size. Let me get that. Oh, it really sticks on there too, the lid, which is nice. And there's the medium. I love storing craft supplies in pretty jars. And then there's the large. These are huge. So for $7, excellent deal. So if you think that something is not the price that it should be, take it to the register, because the app might not always be accurate. Okay, so that was my Walmart clearance find. This is what I found at Aldi, and this is this week. This is the week, what's today? Today's August 29th. So starting this week in the Aldi finds aisle, they have these big giant Sherpa pumpkin pillows, and this is about the same size as the jack-o'-lantern one that I showed a few weeks ago from Homegoods. So this one, it comes in white, and then there were like two tannish colors, different shades of tan. I didn't see an orange. I don't know if there was one and I missed it, but it's a really nice big pillow. Let's see if it gives measurements, or I can measure it for you. Okay, 15 inches in diameter. So this will be a nice addition to my family room. I like to decorate my hearth with cozy Halloween and fall pillows. So I'm planning to use this for fall and for Halloween. So this is a really, really cozy pillow. It's kind of a dupe of the Pottery Barn one that is $79. So these are really popular. Everyone's making those now. So $15 was great. All right, you guys know that I am addicted to kitchen textiles, or aprons, towels, that kind of thing. I don't think I showed this before. This is a set that I got from Marshall's or Homegoods, and it was $16.99. It comes with an apron, 2 towels, and 2 oven mitts. So I thought that was a really good deal. I might give this away as a present, but I will probably keep it because I just love it. I love the apron. It's got this pattern of different color pumpkins and gourds and fall leaves. And it comes with these 2 towels, which are really nice and versatile. Oh, and there's a pocket there. I didn't even realize. And then the oven mitts are the same like orange ticking fabric. So I actually need new fall oven mitts. So yeah, I think I will be keeping this. So isn't that pretty? Oh, I just love it. Actually, most of this haul is kitchen textiles. So just warning you there. All right, speaking of that, I got some Halloween towels. I love these so much. This is the Feelin' Spooky brand, and this is from Homegoods. It's a set of 3 kitchen towels. Just look at the ghost on the label. Isn't that adorable? And they were $7.99 for 3, so you can't beat that. All right, so this is the first one. It says Spooky Fun, and it's got a little black cat sitting in a pumpkin. Oh, just reminds me of my little black cat. There's this ghost with a bow on her head, and she's sitting like on a log or something, and she's waving. And then this scene of the cats and the ghost on the pumpkin, and there's a witch. So that one, I just think is so cute. And then the second one, is that the first one? Yeah, that's just the first one. And then the second one is more of just like a traditional color scheme, and it's got the same pattern, but just darker orange on it. A green hat for the witch. And then the third one, okay, the third one looks the same as the first one. Yeah. So just 2 different color schemes, yellowish and orange. So cute. I had to get those. And I got some more Feelin' Spooky towels. This set is more pastel colors, and this one is a set of 3 as well for $7.99. So the first towel is this aqua color ghost, and it says Boo on it, if you could see that, very lightly, and they're holding a pumpkin basket, and this one has a little hat on. This one has, looks like a lollipop. Yeah, she's holding a lollipop. And yeah, a little hat on that one. And then there's one with a little mask on. And then the next one is like that, but it's pink. Oh, aqua and pink. Gosh, they are totally in my head for these. And then the third towel is different. These are multicolor pastel ghosts. So these are really nice quality towels too. Make sure you check your Homegoods if you're looking for some cute Halloween towels. And yeah, so I couldn't resist. I'm sure you don't blame me. I also got these Joanna Parker Halloween 2 microfiber drying mats. There were 2 different designs. This one I like the best, and there's a smaller one and a bigger one. The smaller one I plan to use under my cat's water fountain. They prefer to drink their water from a little cat fountain instead of a bowl, so there's some splashing involved. So I put a different, theme drying mat under it for different seasons. So this will be the Halloween one, and it does have cats on it. So yeah, and then the other one will be for my dish drying. So this was $7.99 for 2 of them, and I love Joanna Parker products. I actually have a few more things to show you that I got with her artwork. So there's that. Let's see, we'll put you like there. Oops, sorry, not my tripod, of course. Also Joanna Parker, I got at TJMaxx when my daughter and I went to drop off her stuff at her apartment. We went to the TJMaxx out there, and it's a lot better than the one by me. So they had the set of 4 round placemats, and if you like vintage Halloween, I'm sure you know Joanna Parker. She designs beautiful vintage Halloween and Christmassy type things. So this was, set of 4 round placemats, 100% cotton, and this was $12.99. I love these. So I plan to put these out as placemats on my counter. We have a couple of bar stools, so I'm going to put 2 there, and then 2 I'll put under decor around the house. So there's that one. And also Joanna Parker, I got a couple of like stuffed plushies for decoration. There's this cat one, and this was from Homegoods, $14.99. I had to get the black cat. I just thought he was so cute. He's got these beaded and button legs. Adorable, right? So nice and vintage, cute little feet. He's got a little orange overall outfit on with a couple of buttons, a yellow bow tie, and he's got a posable tail at the back. So super cute, right? Love his little hat. What's that? Oh, he's got a sequin on him. I don't know how that happened. So we have him, and then I got one more. I got the witch, which I think is super cute. I love her little face, and she's got a purple hat on. These are all made of felt, by the way. And she has a cute little gray, like heathered outfit on with some purple, white pom-poms, an orange star, and then the same kind of legs. These have orange beads and black buttons. And then she has little witch boots with purple yarn for the ties. So I think these are really nicely well made. You know, they're a little expensive at $14.99, but I love to decorate with things like this. Just add them into shelves, have their legs hanging down, and they don't take up much space, but they're a nice size and they're really effective. So love vintage Halloween. That's my favorite kind of Halloween to decorate in. So these will make a nice addition to my Halloween decor. I'm going to put out my fall decor Labor Day, well, probably right after Labor Day weekend, and then I add in Halloween on October 1st. So that's what I'll do for that. I picked up this soap, and I love the container. It's a maple leaf. I think it's a maple leaf, right? And the scent is harvest spice. It smells really, really good, kind of like a pumpkin spice kind of scent. So I will put this, well, this is from Marshall's. It was $4.99. I'm going to put this by either my powder room or in the kitchen. I have a cake stand next to my sink that has my dish soap on it and sponges and stuff, and a seasonal hand wash. So this will probably be my fall hand wash there, actually. So got that. And then I got this basket. I don't know if I showed you this before or not, but let me just move over a little bit so I can get it in because it's kind of big. It's a Martha Stewart basket. I'm having deja vu, so I might have shown it. Sorry. But I thought it was a really good shape. Let me just zoom out a little bit. I'll show you the tag, Martha Stewart Home. And it was $9.99, which I thought was really good for a basket. It's like the water hyacinth kind. Oh, sorry, I'm really not getting a good shot here. But I plan to put this in my family room and either put like some decor in here, or I melt a lot of like wax tarts, and I buy them from different vendors on like, you know, handmade kind of wax tarts. So I'm going to put them in the bags in this, and it will smell nice while it's out, and then it'll make it easier for me to pick my scent of the day, because I always pick a scent every day. So there's that. Sorry, I couldn't really show that well. And this I got from my sister who came to visit recently. She bought me these cute baking cups and decorative picks set, and I think she said she got this at Marshall's. But look at those little guys. Aren't they so cute? There's a little squirrel in an acorn with the acorn hat on his head, or the acorn cap on his head, and he's eating a little berry, and there's a butterfly there, and then there's also, what's that one? A little rabbit, I think. Yeah, and there's a raccoon in there, and the back is a hedgehog. So adorable. And then all the different cupcake wraps too. And I'd love to use these not just for baking in, but as little dishes. We have in the fall, usually on Sundays, my husband and I have a charcuterie board for dinner, like while we're watching football, fall and winter. So I like to use these to put out, like, you know, little servings of things. That way I don't have to wash a whole bunch of little dishes at the end of the night. So, and these are very cute and festive. I don't know how much you paid for this, but I think it says $9 was retail, so not too bad at all. So super cute. And you can use these in paper crafting too, which I plan to do. So there's that. And I think that's all I have to share with you today. Yeah, I'm sure I'll have more, probably not too much for fall, because I do have a lot of fall stuff I've collected over the years. So try not to add too much to them. Linens are always good to add, I think, because after a while they get, you know, kind of faded and stained, and you need to replace them. So that's what I do. Maybe I will show you guys my decorated house when it's all done. I will try to like have a little tour of that. So anyway, thank you so much for watching today's different kind of haul video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please stay tuned for more videos, mostly crafts and craft hauls, project shares, tutorials. I'd love it if you'd subscribe, and that way you'll be able to see all the different videos that I make. What is this? That looks like a little piece of tape or something. It looked like my nails, but it's not. Okay, so anyway, thanks again for watching, and I'll be back soon with more crafty videos. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, guys.